Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Beats Solo 4 not pairing issue. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with your Beats Solo 4 here, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing to solve the not pairing issue. So first things first is you want to turn off the Bluetooth on your device. So you want to go to your phone settings and just switch Bluetooth off. Now, you want to power off your headphones as well. So you want to press and hold the power button, so located at the right ear cup here, until the LED light turns off. Then release the button. Now, from then on, you want to press and hold the power button again for about 10 seconds to enter into pairing mode. Now, the LED will blink white first, then turn red, then start blinking. Now, keep holding until it switches back to blinking white, which means it's now in pairing mode. Now, from then on, you just want to reconnect this into your Bluetooth device. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just turn your Bluetooth back on your phone and look for the Beats Solo 4 in the Bluetooth list. Now, you want to select it and confirm the connection. And that's about it. So, if the issue persists here, you may want to restart both your headphone and your phone and try again. But if not, you may need to reach out to Beats support in order for you to get this fixed. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.